this is a potato I've grown a lot of this year. It's a potato called Nectar. It's a shop board set aside. Just one potato sat on 2 inches of soil, topped off, stood outdoors, watered when it looked as though it needed to be watered. Now it's time to turn it out. Now it's time to do a reveal. So this is Nectar, one shop board set aside in a small 10-inch ex-cut flower water bucket. And I know I repeat myself a lot, but I'm attracting lots of new members, and I think it's important that we spell it out as it is, even though you get it maybe once or twice when you don't really need it. Oh, and that, by the way, if you've never met her before, that's Meg, and that's Meg's robe. Ooh. Quite wet as expected, because we have had a lot of rain here at Homegrown Veg in the United Kingdom, so whoa! Hey! That's our first Nectar. I will put them to the back of the barrow before they come out of the barrow. You will see them in all their glory. But let's do a shakeout. Shakeouts are good. That's a shakeout. Meg's decided she now wants to put a rope in the bucket, so we'll have to put the bucket in the barrow. Let's see what we've got here. We've got lots of them. Just throw those in the back. Hold on, Meg, hold on. Can I move it now? Yeah. How's that? There may be one or two you can't see because Meg's pestering me now. But what we're going to do is we're going to take them indoors and we're going to weigh them. Yes, we are. We're going to take them indoors and we're going to weigh them. Right, Meg, last one. Right, we have had quite a bit of rain, as I've said, so these are not the cleanest potatoes in the world, but they look sound, and if I find any that aren't, they won't be going on the scales, because if we can't eat them, we're not going to weigh them. So we'll have a look in here, see if we've missed any. I don't think we have. Hey, Meg. Oh. How's that looking? Okay, we'll go and weigh them now, shall we? Yeah, come on, Meg, we're going to weigh them. Okay, let's see what we've got. Last one, Tichy. Wow. Just slightly over £3. Definitely £3. £3 of potatoes. I only put one in. £3 of potatoes. And they're all sound potatoes. They'll all make the table. They'll all get eaten. Hey, Homegrown Veg, you can't beat it. You need to give this a go. You definitely need to give this a go. This is what we call at Homegrown Veg a result. This is a result. This Homegrown Veg signing out. bye.